Hi everybody, this is Michelle Falsetta. As I'm sure most of you know, I am hosting a wrestling party this Thursday, June 3rd from 6 to 11. And I figured that the least I can do is give you a little bit of a YouTube tape of my style of wrestling, of what, and also of what you possibly will be able to see when you come to my party. Besides seeing all this, and all the holes, I'm also going to have a victim, just to entice you guys a little bit more. So just remember, the website is www.wrestlingpartybklyn.webs.com. If you don't remember it, it's on my YouTube website. And it's on my website. You can't miss it. I'm all over the place. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you there.